Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin CME chart because it's forming a huge gap, and usually in the CME gaps we tend to close the gaps to, right now it's to the downside, so we could be having a big retracement on Bitcoin, so we're going to have a look at that. If you watched the video yesterday, we said that there was, actually 2 days ago, there was a ascending triangle forming on Bitcoin, and we said that there's two possibilities: either we could break to the upside or to the downside, but more likely to the downside because of how things are, and we just went up too quickly, and basically we hit the take profit almost perfectly. We did, and then we went even lower, so that was awesome if you guys watched that. Again, nothing in this video is financial advice, only my opinion. Only TA is never 100%. This is just what I see, and you can have different perspectives in TA, but I'm CryptoKid, and let's jump into the charts for Bitcoin. And if you haven't already, I'd love if you guys subscribe. That would be awesome, and leave a like below this video. That helps a lot as well. That's all I ask in exchange. So this is the CME chart for Bitcoin. There's the futures chart, the CME futures, and as you can see, there is a huge gap that's forming on the CME chart for Bitcoin. Now what happens is, usually when there's a gap like this formed, we tend to close the gap, and right now it's to the downside, so we could come back to $19,545. That would be a potential target. And the second thing that we're going to look at is the normal Bitcoin chart, so Bitcoin USD, and here we go. Okay, so I was doing a video on Carl's channel, if you want to check that out as well. That's on Carl's channel. We saw this ascending triangle, which we broke to the downside as we discussed, and also I update you guys on my Telegram channel quite regularly, so if you want to join, it's completely for free. It's in the link in the description below. Let me show you guys. So here we go. I do updates, alerts, etc., so a bunch of stuff. So if you want to join, it's in the link in the description below, and it's completely for free. So as you can see, we broke to the downside. Our target was right here, so we took profit very nicely, and now we reversed. However, the scarier thing that's forming, which is scaring me even more, is a potential scenario of a double top. Now this may not follow through, but if it does, wow, that was a terrible double top drawing, but if it does, it's pretty scary because we're coming after, and this is on the daily chart as well, so we're coming after a huge bullish momentum, and if we form a double top, this could take us back down to around that $19,500 area. And as I said, the CME gap perfectly lines up with the 200 period moving average, so that would be awesome too. So the resistance to watch, well, there's two resistances to watch. The first one is here, so I would watch here. If we come back to around $21,200, we could retest back there, and then we could pull down to around back to $20,650, and we can come back to around $19,500. So that's what I'd be looking right now. If you want to set up a trade, you can do as you wish. However, if you were to, for example, short, if we went below, like let's say here, and your take profit is over here, that would be almost a 5% trade on leverage. And if you kept your, we want to have always a 2-to-1, right, at least. So around here is very nice, like this, testing this support. So that would be basically a very nice trade, 2.5-to-1. You're having almost a 5% gain if it happens. So again, adjust your leverage accordingly. I never really, suggest leverage trading. That's only if you're advanced, but even with 1x leverage, you're still making around 5%, and you're only losing around like 2-3% if it loses, so it's not a huge deal if you're not losing leverage. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I did do an Ethereum update on Carl's channel, so make sure to watch that video. It's in the link in the description below. If it gets posted later on, I'll put it in the comments. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow in the next video. So take care, guys, and bye-bye.